Begin at the library's homepage. Go to the eJournal tab. Type in the title of the periodical you're interested in, in this case, the Wall Street Journal. Click on Search. As you can see, we have the Wall Street Journal from 1984 to the present in ProQuest Central. Click on ProQuest Central. Once you get the homepage for the Wall Street Journal in ProQuest Central, click on Advanced Search. As you can see, Pub ID 10482, that is the Wall Street Journal. So if you want to search within that, you simply have to put in a topic, tariffs. Choose a publication date. If you're interested in the last 7 days, last week, you can click on that. You can also put in a specific date range, go before or after this date, on a specific date, or any of these choices. We're going to choose last 7 days. And then search. And our results will give us the 12 results on tariffs for the last 7 days from the Wall Street Journal. So if I was interested in clicking on one of them, all I would need to do is to click on the link and get the article. Thank you.